Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to create the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. Now to do that, you need to open the TikTok application first, and then you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to tap on the search bar on the top right, tap that, and there you need to tap on GTA filter and press search. Now you need to tap on the filter on the top, the GTA filter. You tap that, and then you need to tap on use this effect on the screen. Tap on it. Now once this screen open, what you need to do is you need to put your face straight to the camera, front camera. I'm just going to show you through the back picture. You just keep your face straight to it, then you record. Now this will make the changes, or the filter will show you the after effect of the GTA character. Now you can post this on your story, or you can tap it and tap on next and post it on your TikTok. So this is a way how you can create a GTA filter trend video on TikTok very easily. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.